rocks, for example, they're from the centre of a fast-flowing river because that's where the smoothest and most dense rocks gather. And these 80-year-old handmade oak and bamboo barrels are good for another 100 years of fermenting soybeans with koji.
And this is something here that's really fascinating. We think of tamari as almost being just another type of soy sauce, but it's actually the top layer from when miso is fermented after it's been sitting in these barrels for about 2 years. And it's nothing like soy sauce at all. Thick as oil and black as squid. Just look at it there, it's almost like a syrup. And it's saltiness, Vegemite, it's that essence of the mud.
Well, it's all right. It looks like, this is like, this one.
The famous shogun around this area in the Edo period, Tokugawa Ieyasu, he said to have had two